Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this cake eventually fell apart, but I had an order this weekend, so I'm just going to show you guys how I made it before it fell apart. So it was an order for a vanilla red velvet cake, and then I mixed it in everything. And I like to use the creaming method because I find it gives me the best consistency. And then I think I overfilled my pan, so it kind of messed up my oven. Everything was a mess. I hate when this happens because now I have to clean it and I'm lazy. Anyway, so I got the cake ready. I kept in the fridge. It was cool, and then I torted it, and then I did the crumb coat, and now I'm just trying to decorate. Yeah, the times when I did all of those things, yeah, I didn't film because I don't know what I was doing. Anyway, so I tried to film this part for you guys after I left it to chill in the fridge. So I brought it out. Then we are going to decorate. So if you notice, today I'm using my buttercream, and if you want my buttercream recipe, I say I'll put the link right up here, but most times I don't have the time to, or I don't know, but it's somewhere on this channel. So you can just type in buttercream. If you search on my channel, type in buttercream and you'll find like several ones, but this is my favorite. I call it my Ukrainian buttercream. Anyway, so and this cake is really tall, and I already doweled it. I like to dowel with paper straws because they are really sturdy. Yeah, most people like to use plastic, but I find paper straws really work for me because they're really sturdy. This cake fell apart not because I didn't do what I was supposed to do, I didn't dowel it right, or it just wasn't handled right, and that is partly my fault because when the owner came to pick it, yeah, I was supposed to give instructions on how to carry it, but I didn't do that. I just kept it in the car for him and told him to be careful. It was an elderly man, so maybe that was why, I don't know, that kind of threw me off because I'm used to catering to younger folks. Yeah, maybe that's why. I don't know why, but I didn't give instructions on how to carry it, but and it kind of like fell apart. So usually when my customers come to pick up cakes, I give them instructions on how to carry the cakes. So because most people don't know how to handle cakes, and you can't just carry it like it's concrete, because it's not concrete. Yeah, it might look really well made, but it's not concrete. It is filled, and you have to know how to handle it so that it can arrive at the destination intact. Anyway, so I'm trying to just make it as smooth as possible in this video. Anyway, so I mean, anyway, so this is like this. The last stage of smoothing, and what I like to do is to put my scraper in hot water. That way, it makes the buttercream very smooth. Okay, so now what I'm just going to do is put some sprinkles around it because I like to put sprinkles on my cake, especially single tone sprinkles. I don't like to use different colors because I feel like it gives the cake dimension and gives it some character. And sometimes I like to use maybe two colors, but like separately, like mixed together. For example, I love white. White sprinkles are my favorite things to texture a cake with, or maybe those glittery pink, sorry, gold or silver ones. So in this case, I'm using white and silver because this cake is going to be all white with a little silver and some pink butterflies. Anyway, so at this point here, I'm just going to put my drip on top of it, and this is just like a white drip as usual. And this is how I drip on my cake. Yeah, I first apply the drip on top and then spread, but I make sure I have some drips in a piping bag that I can use to like drip to my satisfaction, because I feel like when you put the drip on, you can't control where it goes, but if you have something in a piping bag, that way you can control where you add some more, where you can't take away, but you can add a little bit more. Anyway, so at this point, I'm just piping on top of my cake, and then I'm just doing the normal pipes. And this cake was pretty tall, yeah. So and then I'm going to decorate it with some nuts coated and yogurt. Yeah, it kind of tasted like not coated in chocolate, but they said it's yogurt, so let's say it's yogurt. Anyway, so I'm just going to put them on top because it's the same color as the buttercream, so it really blended in and seemed really pretty. Yeah, I really enjoyed making this cake. Like, cakes are therapeutic for me. Yeah, so cute. And see how serious I looked. And this was like really early in the morning. This was like, I think 7 a.m. Yeah. Anyway, so when I was done, I just added some butterflies on the cake. And this was the cake when it was done. It was so pretty. I think the butterflies made it extra pretty. Yeah, it was really, really pretty. And then the owner came to take it. I think their daddy came to take it. and I was supposed to give instructions, but I think I got three of course. I got there and I met an elderly man. I think that's why. Usually when people come to pick up cakes, I give them instructions. Oh, don't carry it like this, carry it like this, carry it like this, things like that. But this one, I didn't do that. I don't know why. Anyway, so this was my cake, and now I'm just trying to pipe the writings on top. And you guys already know, I think I have the worst cake and writing in the history of bakers, and I mean it. Okay, guys, that's all I did this weekend. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.